Hello students, welcome back to another chapter of Honeysuckle, chapter 4, An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. Before starting, let's introduce the chapter. 1997 में एक भारतीय मूल की अमेरिकी लड़की कल्पना चावला ने इतिहास बनाया। वो अंतरिक्ष में पहुंच गई। वो अमेरिकी अंतरिक्ष यान के अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दल के सदस्य थी। वो अंतरिक्ष में जाने वाली पहली भारतीय नारी थी, पर उसका एक दुर्घटना में अंत हो गया। अंतरिक्ष यान कोलंबिया जिसमें कल्पना बैठी थी 1 फरवरी 2003 में आग की लपटों में भस्म हो गया। यह यान धरती की ओर लौट रहा था। कल्पना 16 दिनों तक अंतरिक्ष में बनी रही थी। कल्पना का जन्म हरियाणा के करनाल जिले में हुआ था। उसने बचपन में कभी ऐसी उड़ान की कल्पना भी नहीं की थी। उसने वायुयान संबंधी विषय में इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री भारत में प्राप्त की थी। फिर वो अमेरिका अपनी मास्टर डिग्री लेने के लिए चली गई। कल्पना ने वहाँ हैरिसन से विवाह करके अमेरिकी नागरिकता हासिल कर ली। उसने यान चालक का भी कोर्स पूरा कर लिया। 1994 में उसका अंतरिक्ष यात्री के रूप में चयन हो गया। कल्पना ने कोलंबिया यान में पहली यात्रा लगभग 16 दिन की थी। उसने 252 बार धरती की परिक्रमा की। कोलंबिया की दुर्घटना का समाचार 2003 में आया। करनाल के लोगों को ऐसा ठेस लगी कि वो इस पर विश्वास नहीं कर सके। वो सचमुच एक प्रतिभाशाली वीरांगना थी। उसकी उपलब्धि अद्भुत थी। उसकी कहानी लाखों भारतीय युवा वर्ग के लिए एक प्रेरणा स्रोत बन गई। उसने अंतरिक्ष यान से एक संदेश चंडीगढ़ के छात्रों को दिया। वो बोली, सपने से सफलता पाने तक का मार्ग सदैव खुला रहता है। केवल आपको अपने सपने को साकार करने के लिए साहस की जरूरत है। Let's start the story. Kalpana's birthplace was Karnal. She said that she never dreamed to ever cross the leader of space even. It was enough for her that her parents permitted her to attend engineering college after her graduation from Tagore School. Despite her father's opposition, Kalpana went for a master's degree to the United States of America after completing her bachelor degree in aeronautical engineering. Later, she did her PhD in aerospace engineering. She was the first Indo-American woman astronaut to take off from a rocket launching site at Cape Canaveral, Florida, for a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Kalpana's birthplace was Karnal, Haryana, but she became a US citizen. She was married to flight instructor Jean Perry Harrison. Apart from being an astronaut, she was adept at flying single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes, and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana took another challenge and applied to NASA's Space Shuttle program. First, she joined NASA as a research scientist. In 1994, she was selected for training as an astronaut by NASA. People asked her about her feelings as being a woman in the field. She replied that she never thought that she was a woman or she belonged to a small city or from another country. Rather, she had her own dreams and she followed them like any other person at that place. And fortunately, people in her surroundings always motivated her to pursue her dreams and carry on with the arenas of her choice. Columbia was her first space mission. It took 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes to complete it. She covered 10.45 kilometers while orbiting around the Earth for 252 times. The crew had a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew tried to pollinate plants to check food growth in space. and conducted tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. People were filled with grief and were not able to believe the news of Columbia disaster. They were stuck to their television set to get the news of Kalpana's survival. A journalist called her a heroine. It is a matter of huge potential to be an astronaut. One needs to have a thorough knowledge of every subject, from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. Her achievements are actually remarkable. Kalpana's story stimulated thousands of young minds to do something creative and innovative. She touched the skies and became an inspiration for many. She even sent a message from Columbia to the student of her college in Chandigarh. She said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey." There must be many people who might have even started their journey to make their dreams a reality. That's all. I hope you understood the story. Thank you.